Good day, ma'am. I am Jeannie Nalasaladera, and today I'm going to perform a salting a fish. And I have here an ingredients. First is a salt. Second is a white bite or small fish nga gitawag og tugnos. Then ang atong sudlan nga a jar. Now this white bite is already washed or ginawa na ni Sidja. So the first process is going to add the salt here in a white bite. And mix it well. Add more if kuwangan. Done. And then open the jar for you to put the mixed white bite. This jar is already washed na. Hugasan na. And then close the jar. That is the salting method in fishing.